through the forests and the seas. Listen closely to the breeze. The oceans rise, the mountains plead. It's time to change the way we lead. The paws that walk, the wings that soar, need our voices more and more. From the smallest bug to the giant tree, they all depend on you and me. We are the guardians of the green, keeping the skies and rivers clean, protecting the wild, the furry, the free, living in perfect harmony. So lend a hand and show you care. This is the only home we share. See the wolf run, hear the sparrows sing. Every creature has a sacred thing. They ask for nothing but a place to stay, a safe green space to run and play. Let's drop the chains and end the fight. Give every wild thing its given right. We are the guardians of the green, keeping the skies and rivers clean, protecting the wild, the furry, the free, living in perfect harmony. When we stand up to do what's right, we make the whole world warm and bright. It's a fragile web, it's a beautiful dance, and Mother Nature deserves a chance. For every footprint that we leave behind, let's leave a legacy that is gentle and kind. Look at the earth, look at the sky, hear the animals' grateful cry. Love the land, protect the sea. Let's keep it wild, let's keep it free. We are the gods.